Eric and I are starting out our what is this called? Mission. Canoe recovery mission.
A little recon involved.
It's not starting out well to begin with. Oh yes. Alright, so there's a canoe up in a lake about an hour's walk from here. So Eric and I are gonna go retrieve it. Somebody abandoned it and it's full of water. So see what happens. I get excited just. All right, there it is. It's a good looking boat, right? It is. Next few minutes might be a little racy, but safety precautions. Safety first, that's what I always say. Can't even see it. Complete camouflage.
Just one, more cost.
Alright, now we gotta wrap up the Challenger 2. Mission accomplished.
Back.
Made it back. Stashed the canoe. Got a game plan for the next couple of missions.
Exactly. Had some fun.
Yep. Alright, till next time.